to discuss about the family Apiaceae. Coming to the introduction of the family, it belongs to the class Dicotyledonnae, subclass Polypetalae, series Calyciflorae, order Umbellales. It is commonly known as carrot family. So far, 3,540 species belonging to 446 genera were recorded from the world. In India, we have 200 species belongs to 53 genera. In United Andhra Pradesh, we have 9 genera and 13 species. In Telangana, it's almost the number of species almost similar or one or less, one or two or less or more than that. The largest genus in this species in the family Apiaceae is Eryngium with 230 species. The type genus of this particular family is Apium. The conserved name for this family is Umbelliferae. Now these are the common important plants of this family: Apium graveolens, that is celery, Centella asiatica, Coriandrum sativum, Cuminum seminum, Dacus carota, Ferula sophoetida, Phoenicellum vulgare, Trachisperma mummi, and these are the common plants. This is the Cuminum seminum. And then let us come to the habitat of this family. Mostly they are mesophytes. Coming to the habit of this particular family Apiaceae, mostly they are herbs, for example Dacus carota. Very few are shrubs, for example Bupleurum, and then a small tree called Angelica, and Pseudocarum is the climber in this family. If you touch the members of this particular family, it will give some odor due to the presence of schizogenous cavities, and these cavities filled with oils, volatile oils. And the root system of this particular family is taproot system. In Dacus carota it is tuberous. In Centella asiatica it is fibrous at nodes. The stem is erect or climbing or runner or short or disc-like structure in Dacus carota. It's herbaceous in nature, cylindrical or grooved, glabrous or pubescent. In some species of Apiaceae, the stem is hollow. And now you can see the photographs of this particular family, and this is the hollow nature of the stem. Leaf. It is a petiolate. The leaves are petiolate, and then exstipulate or stipulate, for example hydrocotyle, and then alternate or opposite, phyllotaxy, unipinnate or bipinnate, and also simple leaves are present in this family. For example, in Bupleurum, simple leaves are present. In Coriandrum, decompound leaves are present. Most of the leaves are glabrous, or few of them are pubescent. The reticulate venation, except Eryngium, which is having parallel venation. And these are the leaf structures of the Coriandrum sativum and Centella asiatica. And then coming to the inflorescence of the family Apiaceae. In some species of Apiaceae, they are simple inflorescence, and some of them are with compound umbel, for example Coriandrum. The conserved name of this particular family is Umbelliferae due to the umbel inflorescence. The involucral bracts and involucral bracts are present, but these involucral bracts are absent in Phoenicellum. The flowers are 3 to 5 in a cluster or umbel in Centella, single flowered in Azurella. Coming to the flower characters, floral characters: pedicellate or sessile, bracteate or ebracteate, for example in Phoenicellum, bracteolate and eubracteolate, actinomorphic and zygomorphic. The flowers of coriandrum which are present on the periphery of the inflorescence, they are zygomorphic. The central flowers of coriandrum inflorescence, they are actinomorphic. Bisexual and unisexual. Unisexual flowers present only in echinophora and monoecious or dioecious. In Astrania, the long pedicel male and short pedicel flowers are bisexual. Epigynous, flowers are epigynous, they are complete or in some species they are incomplete. They are dichlamydous and heterochlamydous and pentamellous. And this is the typical floral parts of the family Apiaceae. Now you can see these are the central flowers of Umbelliferae, especially Coriandrum sativum. These are the periphery flowers, and these peripheral flowers are in zygomorphic nature. And these are the another pictures of family Apiaceae. The calyx, the number of calyx are 5. They are fused and tubular, fused with the ovary wall. We cannot separate. And they are arranged in valvate or imbricate aestivation. They are very small. In some species like Phoenicallum and Apium, they are absent. Corolla, the number of corolla or number of petals are 5. They are free, folded inside in the bud, imbricate in structure, in imbricate or valvate in aestivation, generally white in color, or few of them are yellow or blue. The coriandrum peripheral flowers, the petals are unequal, hence they are zygomorphic flowers. Coming to the androecium, number of stamens are 5. They are free, alternate to the petals. They are bent in bud condition. Anthers dioecious, intrors. Gynoecium, bicarpellary syncarpous, bilocular, ovary inferior, placentation is axile. There are 2 styles, they are free. Base of the style is a swollen part which is known as stylopodium. The presence of stylopodium is a peculiar character or important character of the family Apiaceae. The pollination. The entomophily is very common in this family because stylopodium produces nectar. Due to the umbel inflorescence, the flowers are closely arranged and and they attract the pollinators. And fruit. The fruit is known as cremocarp, which is having 2-seeded mericarps, which is having 1-seeded mericarps too. And these 2 mericarps are attached to a carpophore which is in Y shaped. This carpophore is nothing but a stalk. Each mericarp having 5 primary ridges and furrows in which the ile glands are present. These ile glands are known as vittae. In the Daucus carota, the fruits having hooks, and seed is endospermic and very small. And you can see the entomophilic nature of the flowers of Apiaceae. And now this is carpophore. This is carpophore. Now you can see the ridges and furrows here. The important characters to know about this family: 90% are herbs, which is having oil ducts and also smell. The stem is fistular in some species. Exstipulate and decompound leaves. Umbel inflorescence is very important character for the identification of the family Apiaceae. Epigynous flowers, and petals and stamens are folded in bud is a peculiar character, is a special character of the family Apiaceae. And also presence of stylopodium and two styles are the important characters of Apiaceae, and the fruit is cremocarp. Coming to the economic importance of the family, Dacus carota and Coriandrum sativum funiculum vulgare, which are used as food material. Ferula asafoetida, Coriandrum sativum, and then fruits of Cuminum seminum, Carum carvi, and Phoeniclum are used as spices. Some species of Apiaceae, for example, Angelica, genus Angelica, and Eryngium and Heracleum and Pimpinella, they are used as ornamentals. The species of Heracleum and Angelica are also used as fodder plants, medicinal plants. Ferula asafoetida, the roots which gives a chemical called as hing. They are antimicrobial and they have blood purification capacity, and they used for the indigestion problems and also heart diseases. The Dacus carota, that means carrot, the roots are rich in vitamin A. They used for eye diseases, eye disorders. Cuminum seminum, Coriandrum sativum, Carum carvi are the fruits are used as domestic medicine. Eryngium, ceruleum, the roots are used for nervous disorder. The Centella asiatica, the whole plant which is having alkaloid called asiaticoside, which is used to nervous and increase the nervous problems and also increase the memory power. And phylogeny. Bentham and Cooker kept this family under Umbellales order of Polypetalae subclass. Whereas Engler and Prantl, they kept these in Umbellales again under Archiclamidae. Hutchinson kept this family in Umbellales again in Herbaceae subclass. And advanced in Polypetalae and resembles to Asteraceae in terms of inflorescence and flowers, show similarity with Rhamnaceae with the characters of reduced calyx and nectar glands, one ovule in each locule. Thank you very much.